Well, here it is, Friday night, 5/22/2020. I'm kind of playing with this idea over here. I don't think it's going to work. I went to the storage unit. I got the table that's going to hide the electric over there. I still have to deal with cooler and garbage. This may be a viable solution for storage without a cushion. Then I got my desk and I got a temporary chair. You see the Patriots just running all day. I moved the fold out over to the other side, and I've got this way cool little end table. I can eat at it. I can stack stuff. Then I've got a little area rug to keep the dust down. Everything else is here's my my one pan and my one pot. There you go. I don't even need electric to make coffee. I can just heat it right there. And then I had to clean up this area. I got to stack the bedding for this right here, right now. And until I can get everything is getting caught in the bedroom area. It's become a catch hold. I got the frame to start framing the bed. And I need an outbuilding at this point, because it's just catching everything. I can't get in here to work because I need a living area. In the bathroom area, it's fine. Everything's good, but I need to work on that. And of course, I got my toilet paper stacked. I mean, with the rain, yeah, you can concentrate working on inside. And, I've got a nice working area. And everything is looking good. However, in order for me to get out of sleeping on this, I have to get working in there. So, hopefully tomorrow, I'll be able to hook up with my guy. Put $200 down on an outbuilding. And this is where we're at. Looks a lot nicer. It's like a home now. And I make dinner every night. And the refrigerator's cold. It's all good. I just need to start, making better plans. And then that's it. Talk to you guys soon.